We go to the second one. The second one says 3a plus 3a plus 3a is equals to 72. Now, what is the value of a? Now, what we say? Solution. What is our solution? Now, 3a plus 3a plus 3a is equals to 72. Now, what is common here? What is common? What do you see? What is common is 3a. What is left here, because we remove 3, 1 plus here it's 1 and here it's 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 72. And then what do we do? If we multiply this, it goes back to 3 times 1 is 3a plus 3a plus 3a is equals to 72. So this is equivalent to this. In the next step, what do? We say 3a, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 is equals to 72. We divide both sides by 3. Now, 3a is equals to 24. 3 divided by 72 is equals to 24. What do we do in this? What do we do? Okay, we introduce log. How do we introduce log in this? It's because we want to solve this a. We want to solve this exponential a. Once we introduce log, is equals to log 24. What is the rule of log? The rule of log says, log dA is equals to a log b. Something like this. So what do we say? Say a log 3 is equals to So what do we do in this fashion? What do we do in this fashion? What do we do in this fashion? We are left with log 24. And then we say divided by log 3. Okay. Now a is equals to divided by is 1. Okay. Now log 24 is the same as log 3 times 8 divided by log 3. Then what do we do? In this manner, we say a is equals to log 3 plus log 8 divided by log 3 divided by log 3. Cancel this. A is equals to 1 plus log 8 over log 3. A is equals 2. Now, let's do a little bit law of exponent. Law of exponent. Now, law of exponent says log. It says log. It says sorry for that. Let's continue with what I've promised. Law of exponent. Now, log of exponent says log A divided log B is equals to log BA. Log BA. So A is equals to 1 plus log 2, 3, which is 8, divided by log 3. So what do you do after? What do you do after? Let's see. Let's go to the next page to continue with our... Let's continue where we are. We continue here. We are here. A is equals to 1 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 3. Remember, we are coming from A is equals to 1 plus log 2, 3 divided log 3. So law of exponent allows us to do this. Furthermore, we say log AB is equals to log A plus log B. Do you understand me? Log AB is equals to log A and log B. So, in this particular manner, you still remember our what? Our exponential law says log A divided log B is equal to log BA. In this fashion, in this manner, we're going to say A plus is equals to 1 plus 3 log 3 2. This is our final equation. So what do you want to do? We want to check whether it is the same. Whether it is the same as our, let's check. 3a plus 3a is equals to 72. Now 3a is equals to 72. Now 3 multiply by 3, 1 plus 3 log 3 2 is equals to 72. Now this give us 9. This give us 9. So what do we say? We say let's see what's happening here. Now we gave its own. What do you see? Can you punch this in your calculator? What do you see? Something is missing. We missed something. Did we miss something? It means something. Okay, so we're going to say a log ab is equals to b, not 72. So what do we see? We say this is a, so we're going to have 9 multiplied by 2 to the 1 and 3 is equals to 72. Now 9 times 8 is equals to 72. So the value of a is equals to 1 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 3, whereby a is equals to 1 plus 3 log 3, 2. This is our value. It's checking with this. It's checking with this. Thank you very much.